What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm about to show you an exclusive behind the scenes of how I make these FPV videos. I call it ripping and dipping, really. Here we go. Oh man, there's people out there. I don't care, I'm doing it anyway. Here we go. I won't be going by them. Pulling up to the spot now. I like to start off by positioning myself, in a position where I can kind of hit every spot. So, let's see. Hey, this look good enough to me. Right here. Let's do this. That's how you do a one pack right here. No plan. I don't know how it's gonna go. We're about to see. Oh, forgot my goggles. First thing I do, I'm going to plug in my goggles, turn on the controller. I got options. I don't know which one I'm gonna fly. Let's go with this one. Pick my drone. Strap up the battery. Gotta be quick with it, cause you don't really know who's gonna come up and run you away from the spot. So, boom, put that in there. Sit the drone down. Let's angle this down. It's working. Boom. Put it on the right channel. All right, let's go. Armed. One pack. Warm up. I go into this with no plan at all. It's not really the best spot to do this because I don't fly this spot all the time. And I don't want to tear up nothing. Watch out for those power lines. I want to go behind that. Can't go behind it. I think I can fit it in there. Without a warm-up though, I wouldn't test that. Oops, what was that? Let me try it again. I like to go up to the cameras and just show them the drone. Boom, that's it. Video done. One pack, one chance, no warm up, no line, no deception, just fun FPV flying. Hope y'all enjoyed that.